Ever wondered how to maintain healthy hair through your diet? Look no further. Today we're diving into some tasty recipes and tips that can help promote hair growth and health based on vital vitamins and factors. First up, we have a spinach and mango salad. This recipe calls for fresh spinach, ripe mango, your choice of walnuts or almonds, olive oil, lemon juice, and a dash of salt and pepper to taste. Start by washing and chopping the spinach. Next, peel and dice the mango. Combine the spinach and mango in a bowl and add chopped walnuts or almonds for an extra boost of biotin. Lastly, whip up a dressing with olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper. Drizzle this over your salad and mix well. This salad is a powerhouse of vitamins A and E thanks to the mango and spinach, and it also provides biotin through the nuts. Next on the menu is a citrus fruits and kiwi smoothie. Gather oranges, strawberries, kiwi, natural yogurt and honey if you prefer a sweeter taste. Begin by squeezing the oranges to get fresh juice. Wash and chop the strawberries and kiwi. In a blender, mix the orange juice, strawberries, kiwi, and a bit of natural yogurt. Sweeten your smoothie with honey if you'd like. This smoothie is a fantastic source of vitamin C and B, particularly B6, which is vital for energy metabolism. Scene script. Aside from these recipes, here are some additional hair care tips. Tip 1. Avoid excessive use of heat. Limit the use of hair dryers, straighteners, and curling irons. If necessary, use heat protectants before applying heat. Tip 2. Hair care. Use gentle shampoos and conditioners specifically for your hair type. Avoid products containing sulfates and parabens. Tip 3. Brushing. Brush your hair gently to stimulate blood circulation in the scalp. Use a brush with natural bristles. Tip 4. Relaxation and stress reduction. Practicing stress management techniques like meditation, yoga, or simply taking time to relax can help maintain healthy hair, as stress can contribute to hair loss. Tip 5. Visit a professional. If you're experiencing significant hair loss, consult a dermatologist or doctor for an appropriate diagnosis and treatment, if necessary. Remember, a balanced diet and a suitable care routine are essential for maintaining healthy, beautiful hair. So why wait? Start incorporating these recipes and tips into your lifestyle and watch your hair thrive.